If you are looking for the new Breitling watches for men based on specifications, you are in the right place. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon button for my new videos notification. Number 6. Breitling Super Chronomat 38 R17,356,531 G1 S1. Now a day's price of this watch in US dollars is $21,000, but this will vary with time. This watch is marvelous and very easy to adjust. Screwed in. Water resistance 10 bars. Bezel unidirectional, ratcheted. Crown non-screw locked, 2 gaskets. Crystal convex sapphire crystal, glare-proofed both sides. Dimensions product weight, approx. 120.5 g. Watch head weight, approx. 98.8 g. Diameter 38.0 m. Thickness 11.8 mm. Height, upper lug tip to lower lug tip, 45.4 mm. Lug width, in between lug, 20.0 m. Number 5. Breitling Chronomat Automatic GMT 40 A32,398,101 A1 N01. Now, a day's price of this watch in US dollars is $5,777, but this will vary with time. Case material stainless steel. Case back screwed in. Water resistance 200 m 660 phi. Bezel unidirectional ratcheted rotating bezel. Crown screw locked, 2 gaskets. Crystal, cambered sapphire, glare-proofed both sides. Dimensions product weight, approx. 153.0 g. Watch head weight, approx. 75.2 g. Diameter 40.0 m. Thickness 11.7 m. Height, upper lug tip to lower lug tip, 47.4 mm. Lug width, in between lug, 20. 0 m. Strap material stainless steel. Strap color metal bracelet. Trap type straight. Lug 20/18 mm. Number 4. Breitling Navitimer Automatic 41 Limited Edition A 173,263 A1 G1 P1. Now a day's price of this watch in US dollars is $4,400, but this will vary with time. Water resistance 3 bars. Bezel bidirectional, slide rule. Crown non-screw locked, 2 gaskets. Crystal cambered sapphire, glare-proofed both sides. Dimensions product weight, approx. 73.0 g. Watch head weight, approx. 60.6 g. Diameter 41.0 m. Thickness 10.0 m. Height, upper lug tip to lower lug tip, 47.9 mm. Lug width, in between lug, 22.0 m. Strap material alligator leather. Strap color blue. Number 3. Breitling Navitimer B1 Swiss Limited Edition. Now, a day's price of this watch in US dollars is $11,900, but this will vary with time. Case size 41 mm. Case material stainless steel. Case back open. Strap material alligator. Strap color black. Buckle type folding clasp. Reference AB 1395 A1 B1 P1. Case size 41 mm. Case material stainless steel. Movement automatic caliber. Breitling manufacture caliber 1 in-house. Power reserve 70 hours. Functions hours. Minutes, chronograph, date, small seconds. Water resistance 30 m/3 bar. Number 2. Breitling Top Time Dias A 233,112 A101 X1. Nowadays price of this watch in US dollars is $4,861, but this will vary with time. Case material stainless steel. Case back snapped. Water resistance 3 bars. Crown non-screw locked, 1 gasket. Crystal convex sapphire crystal, glare-proofed both sides. Dimensions product weight, approx. 97.0 g. Watch headweight approx. 86.8 g. Diameter 41.0 m. Thickness 14.2 m. Height, upper lug tip to lower lug tip, 51.5 mm. Lug width, in between lug, 20.0 m. Number 1 Breitling Navitimer B2 Chronograph 41 COSMONAUTE. Now, a day's price of this watch in US dollars is $10,780. But this will vary with time. Case material stainless steel and platinum. Case back screwed in, sapphire crystal, water resistance 3 bars. Bezel bidirectional, slide rule crown non-screw locked, 2 gaskets. Crystal cambered sapphire, glare-proofed both sides. Dimensions product weight, approx. 93.0 g. Watch head weight, approx. 72.5 g. Diameter 41.0 m. Thickness 13.0 m. Height, upper lug tip to lower lug tip, 47.0 mm. Lug width, in between lug, 22.0 m. Strap material alligator leather. Strap color black. Strap type straight. Lug 22/18 mm. Buckle material stainless steel. Buckle type folding clasp.